Today, I'm gonna show you how to make peanut butter chia pudding packed full of protein. The reason why is because we all need an easy go-to breakfast when we're super busy. If you're on the road, if you're out of the house, you need to refuel your body to make sure you recharge those muscles, keep those energy levels high, and obviously keep the leanness going. So, get excited because we're making a peanut butter chia seed pudding right now. We're gonna get straight into it now. First things first is you're gonna grab a jar, hopefully one that you can put a lid on. Not a huge issue, you just cover it with some paper towel if you don't have a lid, and we're gonna get right down to business. First things first is 3 tablespoons of chia seeds. I'm going with my eyes because I trust myself. Ooh. Next up is 1 cup of almond milk, and this is a lean pour. Using my eyes, that is about 1 cup there. Cheers. Next up is about half a scoop of vegan whey. We don't want those unnecessary sugars, but we still want the sweetness. And this is where we get a little bit of sweetness from without the negative side effects. A tablespoon of Walden's Farm maple syrup. If you haven't tried this, make sure you try it. It's in my Amazon store, linked below. It is 0 calories, 0 calories. Packed full of sweetness, satisfies that sweet tooth, because if you don't enjoy your lean journey, it's not gonna last very long. And just a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla flavoring, just to enhance that vanilla flavor. We've obviously got the vanilla whey, so you do not need a lot. You wanna make sure you do not put too much in, otherwise it'll be overbearing. And then last but not least, 2 chunky tablespoons of peanut butter. Make sure you get unsweetened natural peanut butter. Again, we're trying to avoid those processed sugary foods, and peanut butter, unbeknownst to a lot of people, is filled with sugar in a lot of the peanut butter products out there. And that is not a good thing. Next up, this is called the Lean Remix, also known as whisking. Just mix all the ingredients together. You wanna get rid of any of those clumps in there. We're gonna give a good twirl now, let it sit for a couple of minutes, remix again, back in the fridge, and you will be munching on this chia pudding in no time. Cap it. We're gonna throw it in the fridge for 30 minutes to 12 hours. So if you're doing this before bed, obviously just let it sit in the fridge in the morning, pick it up when you're ready to go. If you're in a bit of a rush, pull it out after 30 minutes. Whoop! There you have it, squaddies. That is the peanut butter packed chia pudding that is so easy to make. It makes for a great snack or meal on the go. Now, last tips are add your favorite toppings. I opted for some strawberries because it goes really well with this mix, and also some 0 sugar chocolate. You can use cacao nibs as well. For me, I'm all about those chocolate chippies, especially when there is 0 sugar in them, which makes them guilt-free pretty much. And a little dash of peanut butter on top. Those are my toppings. Feel free to let me know what toppings you use. Last but not least, if you made this recipe, please tag me at LEANSQUAD on Instagram, because when you share the leanness, it inspires someone else to cook a little leaner, cook a little healthier, and get stronger, fitter, and leaner. So please do that. And give a big thumbs up if you like this video. If you enjoyed this recipe, comment below, subscribe to the channel. You do not want to miss what I have in store. I'm really excited to share with you more recipes, more tips, and all things lean. And last but not least, if you want some personal guidance on your lean journey, then sign up for your own 90-day lean plan. It's built by me for you. Everything is tailored to you. You get my personal support, and that is what is gonna help you be successful all year round. Finally, it is time for me to enjoy the leanness.